Snowboarding is one of the most popular winter sports these days. Snowboarding was inspired by skateboarding, sledding, surfing, and skiing. Living in Florida, snowboarding trips are definitely a change of environment. The past couple of years, I've engaged in snowboarding and absolutely love it. I think everyone should attempt a winter sport at some point of their lives. However, before you decide to hop on a board and go down the slope, there is some research you should do first. You need the right gadgets and apparel for safety and to be comfortable going down the slope. Therefore, I am here to inform you of all the necessary equipment, accessories, and clothing you will need before snowboarding. Not only will you be prepared, but this sport can be very dangerous, so you need to be aware of everything you need so you can really enjoy it. First of all, this is the actual board that you ride down the slope on. All boards are constructed and manufactured with different designs and materials. It's important to get a board that suits you by calculating your height, weight, and boot size. Also, boots that come with the board are very important when snowboarding. Rather than any type of regular snow boot, the materials boots are made of protect your feet from injury and getting wet from the snow. Boot sizing differs from regular shoes. It is important to get size or snowboarding can be very frustrating and painful. Next, bindings that are attached to the board are very important also. This equipment ensures that your boots and your feet are attached securely to the board. Bindings transfer the movements of your board from your body to your board so you can control the board in an efficient manner. Bindings also have to be sized and matched with the boots because there are different types of bindings that only match with certain boots. Next on this board is the stomp pad. Stomp pads are really useful and actually are really cheap. They attach to your board in between the bindings. You can use the stomp pad for clearing off snow from the bottom of your boots, or most of the time they are used for your unattached foot when moving up or off the lift. Goggles, they are very important. They provide you with many different types of protection. At high altitudes, the sun's rays can be intense when they reflect off the snow. Also, goggles protect your eyes from the ice particles, tree debris, branches, and many more things. They also have different lenses that are designed to not only keep from fogging up, that they are vents at the top and bottom of the goggles that have air circulation. Snow pants are definitely a necessity when hitting the slopes. Snowboard pants have 3 layers, and the first layer is to surface the skin. This allows moisture to leave your body and stay warm and comfortable at the same time. The second layer is for insulating the body heat, and the last layer is a barrier for the legs against the snow and wind so they stay protected. A snow jacket is also important. A proper snowboarding jacket can protect you from many different issues. These jackets are waterproof, and with different fabrics and zippers, they seam and keep everything covered. They are also windproof jackets. They also have different layers that ventilate and let your body breathe. Gloves are a necessity when you decide to hit the slopes. They are also waterproof and keep your hands dry. The layers inside most snowboard gloves are removable for hotter and colder days. Wearing heavy-duty gloves also protect your hands when you fall and keep your hands at a good temperature with this wind and climate. A bandana or any type of face mask or a tie can protect your face from going down the slope when it's snowing at the same time. Wearing a beanie or some type of covering over your head and around your ears can make a big difference in staying warm. Next, besides the outer layers, is the thermal layers. It's important to wear multiple layers of clothing under the jacket and the pants. Thermal underwear is good to wear as a base layer. Then a shirt or jacket is a good second layer. And lastly, a regular snow jacket. Proper socks are important too. As you can see, layering up in the proper fabrics and material can make snowboarding quite comfortable. Stay away from cotton in every way. Stick to synthetic moisture-wicking fabric. Hand and foot warmers are inexpensive and give off heat for a good while. Lip balm and any type of sunscreen for your face will come in handy too. Okay, so as you can see, there is a lot to prepare before hitting the slopes. Make sure all of your equipment is fitted and matched, and your snow clothes are all layered, and you will have a blast snowboarding.